examples can we cite in the food industry? Let's cite a few ones. Flippy 2. Flippy 2 is a product of Miso Robotics, and it's a robot that is specialized in cooking and in serving customers in restaurants. Yay! I'm going to eat at the restaurant. You go to a restaurant, you order food, and guess what happens? Oh, here comes the robot. The robot will come, it will come to your table and deliver the food, and you start eating. When you are done, again, a robot will come, pick up the plates and do the wiping off, and off it goes. What a beauty. Even cooking in the kitchen, in the restaurants, it can easily be managed by Flippy. Regardless of how many stoves, how hot it is in there, the robot will keep cooking and deliver in accordance with your requirements. The next example of an intelligence tool that is used in the food industry is Tanbo R1 and Tanbo R2. These are specifically for saving. Okay, you have maybe 200 clients all waiting for food. These robots will move from one table to the other to save the client the menus, the food that they ordered. And they'll even ask if there's anything else that the client might want, and pass that on to the staff in the kitchen so that they can continue to prepare what the client wants. Oftentimes, Africa is seen as lagging behind in technology, but not in this area. One other intelligence tool that we can proudly say is truly African is Omeife. Omeife is a robot that was manufactured by students from the University of Nigeria. I'm sure this is because Nigeria, like Zambia, saw the struggles that, people go through when it comes to house chores. So Omeife is a robot that helps in doing house chores. It can clean, it can wash, it can do all kinds of things, including cleaning and, dusting your area. And it can even provide health care and education just from the settings of your home. And this is also one of the advanced robots that came from Africa. And it is still in use even as we talk. The fourth intelligence tool used in the food industry is called Ginger. Ginger is a smart robot, not the ginger that you and I know when we want to have some bitter stuff, especially when you've got a cold. No, that's just a name. It's a smart robot that delivers food orders from the kitchen to the customer's table. It won't cook. It will just deliver. Whatever you've ordered, when that food has been cooked, prepared by the chef, Ginger, the robot Ginger, will carry the food and place it onto your table. Now, in conclusion, looking at the intelligence tools within the food industry, one would say these intelligence tools are completely revolutionizing the entire food industry by reducing human errors, by increasing safety, and maintaining high standards in accordance with law practices within the food industry, while maintaining a speedy process in the production of foods. We are going to see a lot more robots, not just cooking and serving, but equally involved in the processing of foodstuffs from the time the crops are harvested to the time the crops are consumed. All that is being covered because we have seen so many benefits of robots taking over in these areas that traditionally were done by human beings. Thank you.